Hi, this video is week 3 of JDBC and CST 235. This one we're doing insert in a project called SQL Practice 2. So on this one, I basically created a little menu and a UI, giving you options for inserting or reading, which you'll see in a second. This is pretty much just verbatim the same kind of stuff we did in the address book. I like that whole situation. Plus, it's kind of like a precursor to the future, I guess. So my insert, I basically wrote it the new way, as required. And we have the try connections as the way you've basically instructed us to write them now, with all the information that is needed for that particular table, with a close statement and connection close on that. And then on the read, we have the 3 tries for the connection, the prepared statement, and then the result set, and then the 3 closes on that. And then I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like for both. So let's see. So I can go ahead and add a customer now. So we'll do I already have a John Doe from when we had this originally, so I'm just going to change the name. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not so easy, strict. We want Phoenix. I do give you the option for the second line if needed. I don't know the zip code for Phoenix at all. And let's see, sales rep number we wanted 1401 for Pamela Castillo. And credit limit is 20,000. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and press enter to continue. Takes us back to our menu because we went ahead and inserted that guy. So we want to see customer details, so we'll do 2. Prompts you for the customer number. Do 969, and we can see all the information is spat back out. Nicely formatted. I did the formatting the same with print format to get everything to look the way it does. So it gives you the option to go back in and do another customer detail. Let's see. We'll do 249. So we can see that it goes ahead and pulls the information. If there's nulls in the table, like this would be address 2, and I believe this is postal code, it's going to leave that information blank. I mean, with formatting, that could probably be done differently, but this is the way I have it done. But that's it. So until next time, hooey ho.